guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can sort your Spotify playlist and like the songs on it. So if you want to sort your playlist here, you can just simply drag and move it around to like sort it out here. But if you want to like sort the for instance the songs on the playlist here, you can select the order it's in. You can sort by custom order, title, artist, album, date added, as well as duration from the shortest to the longest. You can also do it the other way around. Apparently this is the longest song that I like. It's 10-minute, well, almost. But you can also, I think, do it with title or just the duration that you can like switch in. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!